My name is Gosling. I'm from the company INSYEN AG. It's an engineering services company in Munich, Germany. And we're mostly associated working in the space program and the aerospace industry with very specialized software, hardware, and operation support services. Okay, one of my motivations in signing up for the program was that I knew we were starting a new line of products, something that we hadn't done before. We've mostly been in services, engineering, and software development. And this year we started actually doing hardware development and shipping products to actual physical boxes. So I knew I had to get a handle on some things that we hadn't had to deal with before, particularly in the line of logistics and purchasing and just the whole arrangement of actually shipping physical products instead of just paper or software products. And that the course has helped a lot in that. It's met my expectations in that regard. And beyond that, it's allowed me to have a lot more insight into the customer that we're doing this OEM development for, because it's a very large company, very large customer, much larger than we are. And the information that I've got from this course, I can see those practices being applied in that customer and understand a lot better what's going on with that customer. These are things that a small company like mine, we're 50 people, we don't necessarily have a marketing department, but our customer does, and I can understand what's going on in there now because of the things that I've learned in this course. Yeah, it's hard to put a finger on one particular thing. I think it's more of an exposure to a larger business world than I'm used to. And I've spent my entire career in the space program with very large government projects. You can almost say they're not really even commercial. The space programs aren't commercial in the sense that they have a monetary payback that you can calculate. So taking the sum total of what I was able to learn in this course, I was able to move the company into that commercial sector a lot easier than if I hadn't had this information. So I couldn't really put my finger on one thing. No, to be honest, that hasn't come about, at least with respect to my company. What I have done is taken a lot of things that I've learned from this course and started another venture, very small for now, that we'll see how it goes in the future, but I'm sure I can use these contacts for that other venture.